Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fun and colorful world of creativity with the best puffy letter stickers you can find on the market. If you're looking to add a touch of personality to your crafts, scrapbooking, or DIY projects, then you're going to love what we have in store for you today. Let's take a closer look at the kids' 3D colorful number and letter alphabet gold foil stickers from Divwa. This set includes 6 vibrant sheets filled with self-adhesive, glittery letters and numbers that are perfect for kids and adults alike. With their balloon-style design, these stickers not only look fantastic but also make any project pop with personality. These stickers come in a variety of colors and shapes, designed to look like cheerful balloons. This makes them ideal for a range of uses, from decorating kids' birthday cards to jazzing up school projects or adding a personal touch to scrapbook pages. You can stick them on walls, refrigerators, windows, or pretty much any smooth surface. The possibilities are endless. What's really great about these stickers is that they're made from high-quality, non-toxic materials, making them safe for children. The self-adhesive feature allows for easy application. Simply peel and stick. This means no mess, no fuss. You can easily reposition them without worrying about damaging the surfaces you're decorating. Let's give it a try. Here, I have a plain notebook, and I'm going to personalize it using these fantastic stickers. Look at how easily they stick. You can layer them, mix and match colors, or even create fun words and phrases. Not only do these stickers spark creativity in kids, but they also cultivate creative thinking by allowing children to express themselves through art. Whether it's for school projects, parties, or just for fun, these stickers are an excellent way to encourage creativity. Now, let's talk about value. At a price of just $11.99 for 6 sheets, each packed with colorful letters and numbers, this set offers incredible bang for your buck. That's only about $2 per sheet, and considering how much fun you can have with them, it's a steal. Plus, they make great gifts. Whether it's for a birthday, a reward for good behavior, or just a surprise treat, these stickers are sure to bring a smile to any child's face. So, if you're ready to unleash your creativity or help your little ones do the same, you'll definitely want to check out these kids' 3D colorful number and letter alphabet gold foil stickers. You can find them on Amazon, and I'll drop a link in the description below for your convenience. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews. And let us know in the comments how you plan to use these stickers in your projects. Until next time, happy crafting!